Welcome to my kid videos. Real quick, I just want to show you how I'm rectifying my leaking humidifier. Initially it was this metal, but it was leaking through this place, so I just took out the humidifier and the float valve, and then by using the cutter I was able to get a smooth hole right here and here. All right, so putting it in, you remember the seal comes first, okay, before you push it in, okay, and then the washer comes in at the back, and then the nuts, okay. Yeah. So you just make sure it doesn't touch the bottom, okay, and then there's enough space at the top, all right, because this is not supposed to run dry, okay. Yeah, but unfortunately my float valve is big. I have a smaller one at the shop, so I'll go get that one. All right, so for now I'll ignore this one, okay, and I just have to make sure I keep filling it up. All right, so I just have to do some cleaning, and then I've filled it with water, okay, and no leakage so far, no leakage. So I just have to make sure I fill it up frequently. Yeah.